If you use Zoom for meetings and Google Calendar to stay organized, syncing the two can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync Zoom with Google Calendar step by step, so you can manage your schedule, join meetings faster, and keep everything in one place. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your Zoom account using your browser or the Zoom desktop app. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This is where Zoom keeps all of the account and integration options you need. Next, in the Settings panel, find and click Mail and Calendar. This section is where Zoom lets you connect with external calendar and email services, so this is the place we need to be. Now click Configure Calendar and Contact Service. Zoom will give you a list of available calendar providers, and at this point, you should select Google Calendar. This tells Zoom that you want it to sync with your Google account instead of another calendar service. After selecting Google Calendar, Zoom will ask you to set up the required permissions. These permissions are important because they allow Zoom to access your calendar events and help create a proper connection between the two services. Once you've reviewed that, click Next to continue. Now, Zoom will ask you to choose the Gmail account you want to link. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you pick the correct one, especially if that is the account you already use for work meetings, personal events, or scheduling. After selecting the right Gmail account, you'll be asked to give access to Zoom. This is the step that officially connects the services, so take a moment to review the permission prompt and make sure everything looks right, then click Continue. Once you do that, Zoom will finish the setup in the background and connect to your Google Calendar. And just like that, you're done. Your Zoom account is now synced with Google Calendar, which means you can better manage meetings, keep track of your schedule, and make your workflow a lot smoother. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more Zoom and Google Workspace guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.